A new study by a Taiwanese university says pens could be more hazardous for your health than you realize, particularly for children. Researchers suggest taking care over which types of pens they use and how they use them. The main focus of the study was a group of harmful chemicals called Total Volatile Organic Compounds, or TVOCs, which many pens emit. Experts suggest that kids should stay away from certain pens and enjoy drawing in a well-ventilated space.
A carefree child draws a picture. Stationery, such as magic markers and glue, sit on the table. When the caps are off, you can smell their distinctive piquant smell. That's the telltale sign of TVOCs in the atmosphere.
She says it smells because sometimes she picks up adults' pens. I tell her to use her own pens. When we breathe in TVOCs, it may in the short term be a stimulant or feel uncomfortable. Over the long term, it can cause problems for the respiratory system or concerns about carcinogens, among other things.
The research team tested children's stationery specifically. They found that when a marker pen or whiteboard pen's lid is taken off, the TVOC levels inside the room will exceed legal limits within 30 minutes. For magic markers, it's even worse. In 20 minutes, TVOC levels will reach 138.37 ppms, which is 247 times the legal limit. Experts say you should make sure to put the lid back on a pen as soon as possible. Children should use water-based or dry stationery where possible. For example, watercolor paints or colored pencils, which are safer than oil-based pens. For sticking things together, double-sided tape and glue sticks are the best, for they are low VOC products. When you use white glue, atmospheric TVOCs will soar to 64 times the legal limit within 15 minutes.
When children are drawing, the ventilation must be adequate. Also, every child is happy to make a piece of art and wants to take it home to share with everyone. But we have tested, and we might recommend that they leave it at school that night and take it home the next day.
Parents are advised to keep the room well aired and to leave artwork somewhere out of the way for a day. That way, the TVOCs will evaporate, leaving the drawing safe as well as delightful.